Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the eponyms. So this will be the eponyms of the year. So to begin with, first is the boxers. The boxers are the cauliflower. So there's a boxers or a cauliflower here. So this is nothing but the description is that it is an organized hematoma of pinna. It is an organized hematoma and it is of the pinna. Next is we look at the surface here. There is something known as the surface here. So it is nothing but the exostosis. It is the exostosis. Lastly, we will be looking at something known as a swimmer's ear. Swimmer's ear. So in terms of swimmer's ear, this is a diffuse otitis externa. So this was about the common eponyms of the ear. We saw the boxer's ear, the cauliflower ear, the surface ear, and the swimmer's ear. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.